Looking for the best open source cloud storage in 2025? Here is a quick but honest comparison between Nextcloud and Owncloud. Similarities: both offer file storage, syncing, sharing, and self hosting, but their development paths are now quite different. Nextcloud pros: 1. Packed with productivity tools, chat, calendar, notes, and also passive third-party app ecosystem. For more frequent updates and active community, Nextcloud is a best choice. Now let's talk about the pros of OwnCloud. It has enterprise-focused performance and also written in Go newer versions equals to faster backend. Also efficient for high load environments. And as for the cons, let's talk about new cloud Nextcloud first. Can feel heavier on low resource servers. And about OwnCloud, it's less user friendly, fewer native features. Pick Nextcloud for collaboration and flexibility. Choose OnCloud for enterprise level performance or speed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.